Sorry about this. It's just quite cramped up there, so we can have a certain amount of people.
Is there any water mill around?
Yes, the water mill. You've got the windmill here, then you've got the village, and then on the other side of the village is the water mill.
Is it working?
Yes, that works. I'm not sure if it works today, but it does work. Whereas this windmill doesn't work at all. But on certain days, the water mill does work, yes. So you can actually go there when it's working. Date just here carved. Sorry, can I just squeeze by? Thank you. There's a date there at 1627, which they believe to be genuine. But so as they wear out, they get new ones. But they believe the mill was built around 1600. And a man came a few years ago to age the wood. And he noticed there seems to be holes, great holes. He thinks that's because this mill was made recycled from other buildings. So basically, most of the mill was made from other buildings. But he thinks the post was specifically built for this, and he gave the building date around 1595, which is a short time of 1600. You've got the post here, and you've got the mill sitting on like that, which the connection's just there. So if this stays solid, doesn't move, everything else will move around it. When you go out, there's a bit of wood mounted on concrete posts. That's all that's left of the original sails.
Okay.
So the local people are coming up here for their firewood.
Not sure, William might have shown it in a diagram downstairs. And then on either side, under the stones, you've got a thing called a quant, which is a shaft that comes up through the stones. On the end of the quant downstairs is a thing called a stone up, which is a small bit.